Hello and welcome to Mojo for Industry. My name is Ujal Nair and we are here at the 14th Die Mold India Exhibition 2026. So we are here at the Nicon Precision Vices pavilion and today we are going to feature all their precision vices that they are featuring here at their pavilion. YH Manufacturing Tools Private Limited is a 1979 company that was established by its late founder Mr. Jasbir Singh. Currently it is headed by Jasbir Singh, its director. So over to Jasbir Singh, who is going to introduce us to their entire product portfolio at their pavilion.
Hi, I am Jasbir Singh, Director of Nicon Precision Vices. We are here at TechMart 2026, Goregaon, Mumbai. We are showcasing our product here, machine vices like 5-axis vices, hydraulic vices and multi-grip vices. We are the largest manufacturer of precision vices in India. This is our entire range of precision vices we are showing here. We are manufacturing also hydraulic vices, some fixture precision components. We are serving the industries like aerospace, railway and defense, automotive and automobile industry. All major cities we have distributor in India, and also near about 50% of our production we are doing export to 15 to 16 countries. We are doing export our products.
So there you have it, folks, the entire product walkthrough for Nicon Precision Vices by its director, Mr. Jasbir Singh himself. So until next time, we'll meet again from the next pavilion. Until then, stay tuned, Mojo for Industry.